Welcome to another episode of Video Marketing Made Easy, powered by Kenny Self Studios. I'm your host, Kenneth Oswald. Today we're going to be looking at how to create social media videos that goes viral. Creating a video that goes viral is a challenging task. Funny enough, creating a video that goes viral that captures the moment of millions of people across the globe is the ultimate dream of every content creator, be it a social media content creator, a business, or an influencer. But this doesn't come easy. This is a challenge for a lot of people to do. So in this video, we're going to be looking at strategies and tips on how to create social media videos that goes viral using practical tips and practical highlights you can use to create the social media videos that goes viral. So sit, relax, and enjoy the video. One of the sweetest ways to create videos that goes viral is keeping it short and sweet. When you create videos that are short and sweet, it gives you a higher chance of going viral. The people's attention are shortened by the amount of content they view this time and age we live in. There's a whole lot of content out there for people to engage with. When you create a video that is short, it gives them a higher chance to watch your own videos. It's easy for me to watch a 30 seconds skit than to watch a 1 hour movie. Creating a video that is short, precise, and sweet gives you a higher chance of going viral. Another way of creating a video that goes viral is starting with a hook. It is absolutely important for you to actually capture your audience in the first few seconds of your video. Don't just create a video for just creating a video's sake. Create a video that is engaging for the first few seconds. It's easy for me to watch a video longer when actually the first few seconds just capture my attention. It's easy for me to love a video when the first few seconds of that video actually engage and I'm emotionally part of that video. When you create videos that the few seconds capture your audience, it gives you a higher amount of chance of going viral. Another amazing way of creating the social media videos that goes viral is focusing on quality. Quality of a video is a crucial part of making that video goes viral. People will always choose a video that has a higher quality than that one that has a lower quality. It is easy for me to love a video that the quality is high enough, the quality is amazing, than a blurry video. I cannot see the content or I cannot see the people in the video. So it's absolutely important for you to invest in good equipment when creating videos. It's absolutely important for you to get amazing smartphones that gives you amazing picture quality when creating videos. Don't just create videos with amazing quality that people will appreciate and love. Another thing to keep in mind when creating videos that goes viral is keeping it entertaining. Don't just create videos that are entertaining, videos that are exciting, videos that emotionally affect your audience. That's why a lot of times, the time we live in, people love to engage with comedy skits. Comedy skits are the hit at the moment. Why? They're entertaining, they're laughable, they're enjoyable. When you create videos that emotionally affect your audience in an entertaining way, it gives you a higher amount of going viral. It is absolutely important you create videos that are actually entertaining, engaging, and exciting to your audience. It is absolutely important to know your audience when creating videos that goes viral. Don't just create videos. Know the people who will watch these videos. It is absolutely crucial for you to know the people that watch the videos. Know the kind of videos they want to watch, the kind of videos that emotionally affect them, the kind of videos they love to interact with. When you create videos that actually target to a particular audience, gives you a very high amount of chance of going viral when creating social media. When you create videos that emotionally affect a particular niche or group of people, it gives you a very high amount chance of going viral. Knowing your audience is absolutely crucial and important when creating videos that goes viral on social media. When you want to create your next social media videos that goes viral, take advantage of using trendy topics. Using trendy topics to actually create videos gives you an absolutely higher chance of creating a video that goes viral. When a topic is actually trending, everyone is talking about it. When everyone is talking about it, they want to see a video that actually express that thing they are talking about. So when you create a video around a trendy topic, it gives you an absolutely high chance of going viral. So the next video you want to create, find a trendy topic that people are actually talking about, people love to see a video about, and create a video for it and see your chance of going viral in that video. Finally, when you want to create your next video that will go viral, try to use captions. Captions are a necessity in this time we live in when creating social media videos that goes viral. Sometimes there might be issues with the audio when the audience you are targeting is watching that video, or when someone is watching your video, there might be issues. Caption helps to create that speech in a text form that gives them the ability to follow your video in a text form. That actually makes them engage your video in an appropriate way, and that gives you a higher chance of going viral. The next video you want to create, try as possible as you can to add caption to that video. Captions are a necessity in this time. Don't just create videos that have captions that will captivate your audience to make your next video go viral. Creating a video that goes viral is no easy feat and it's very taxing. But following these tips and instructions I've highlighted in this video gives you an absolutely higher chance of creating your next video that will go viral. So, until next episode, don't forget to subscribe on all our social media platforms, follow us, and see you again in our next episode.